Hey guys, this is Wolverine Gaming from server 102 right now, playing season 4, day 2, and I'm gonna talk about Lighthouse new building, which is gonna provide you electricity for uh, illuminating your base. So, if you are in season 4, you can observe that we are in a dark theme. As you can see, there is dark everywhere, and those who have lighthouse uh, on, they can have this uh, illumination of light, and they can get safe from various zombies and uh, events like this blood night descents. So let's see the lighthouse, which can be very crucial for season 4. So this is the lighthouse. You can see it's right now on level 8. I have upgraded it. So to upgrade it and to give more power to the lighthouse, you need to upgrade this building or repair this building first, like zombie powered generators. These are the zombie powered generators. They need to be activated right now. I have activated one. As you can see, this is providing power to the lighthouse, generating uh, power, and it can be done by capturing zombies. They will work for you. As you can see, this is the season specific building, so it will be disappear when the season ends. And right now power generation speed is 10 per second and power is 100. So you need to unlock or repair all these power generator, so you can gain more power for electricity. Okay, so you'll need to upgrade your optoelectronic lab for repairing or upgrading these buildings. This is the optoelectronic lab, so you need to upgrade it every time you get the quads from quads workshop. Okay, so that's for lighthouse. So you can see we can tap on this and capture some zombies. You can see activate the generator with uh, catching some zombies. After defeating the ordinary zombies, you can capture some and bring them back to your base and make them a part of it. The zombies are moving entirely on their own free will. Can you believe that the commander did not force any zombie to work without compensation throughout the process? According to the engineer's calculation, this is almost a new type of perpetual motion machine. The generator can supply power 4 decades. Okay, so you're gonna need to capture some zombies. Click on the capture button, and you need to rally on these zombies by various needs. So let's capture some zombies just by attacking these special Sakura Isle zombies. You can see we're gonna get first kill rewards also for that, and we're gonna capture some zombies. We need to capture at least 10 zombies for this generator. So you're gonna need to capture almost 10 zombies. So you'll need to also attack on these zombies till you get full of them. Okay, so let's see other information on the lighthouse. So you need to unlock all 4 zombie powered generators to gain full speed of power. Okay, and to get safe from the zombie of descendants or attack of the night zombies, blood night is coming, blood night descends, you need to turn it on. So how can you turn it on? Click on this bulb button, and you can see we getting 600 plus per minute right now with one power generator, and you can turn it on from here like this. Just switch to the level 1 or medium level that is available. You can see right now we on level 1, we getting 1200 per minute power, and you can see the power here. You can also buy uh, from passes and various things. You can see the overview. Zombie powered generator 1 600 per minute, alliance setter giving you plus 600 per minute if you are in the territory, and the lighthouse gonna uh, you cost you minus 1200 per minute when it's on. It will bring light and dispel darkness. Okay, so you can see I have turned it on, and it will illuminate 5 by 5 tiles nearby you, and also gonna give you these buffs like virus light sensitivity level 1, gain light virus resistance plus 50, brightness L1, illumination range 3 by 3, pixel darkness, dispel the darkness and making the targets within the range unaffected by darkness. And you can see the power storage right now is 0 plus 0 per minute, and power consumption here. And let's see electrician option. Power from generator 1 is being supplied to the lighthouse. We have one electrician right now, and we can activate others just like I said, and then you'll get more power. Also there is a total assistance from your allies. You can gain power from your alliance member also, and there is a manual for instructions like darkness, lighthouse, zombie, electrician, power, power assistance, illuminate path to battle. That's what I explained to you. And there are lots of goals like total time spent in darkness, total time at L1 brightness, etc. So you can go and clear these goals. You can see send electrician to allies. Once the allies lighthouse is built, you can send electricians to it. At this point, electricians will continuously deliver power from their generator to your allies lighthouse. The lighthouse can be upgraded to raise the capacity of assisting electricians and the upper limit of power storage. With enough electricians in the commander's lighthouse, higher brightness levels can be activated with ease to face the coming blood night. Okay, so that's it. You can see my base is now illuminating with 5 by 5 tiles, and we getting a light so it can dispel darkness, as we can also share uh, energy with or electrician with our allies like this. You can see. Okay, so that's how you can help your allies, and that's it for today guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more season 4 updates.